Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello. If you want to check out this makeup look, it is already here on my channel, so make sure you check that out. In this video, I'm going to be applying this wig, okay? So this is one of my favorites. This is one of my absolute favorite wigs. It is big, curly. It came in a natural black color. The hair came from my hair site. I lifted it like this and I absolutely love it. It looks so natural. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I wear it all the time, okay? So I'm just putting it on. Sometimes when you put your unit on, the lace can kind of roll under. So you want to make sure that the lace is nice and flat on your head, okay? So you can see I haven't really done a lot, but it's already looking good, okay? So now I'm going to go in, lay my baby hair, all of that good stuff. I do have this on using the elastic band method. Y'all know that's my go-to method. It's going to hold that lace down. You don't have to add any glue or any of that. So now I'm taking this edge brush. I do have some of these in stock. I also have a new style, so leave a comment below if you guys are interested in grabbing one of these. I haven't added them to my website yet, but if it's something that you guys are looking for, I will definitely do that. So right now I'm just pulling a few hairs out using that brush to pull them out. Now I'm going to go in with a little Eco Style gel to just lay the baby hairs, okay? And this is all that I do for my units, okay? No Got2B, no, none of that, okay? You have that elastic band on there, not too tight because you don't want to give yourself a headache, but that elastic band is going to hold it down, and all you have to do is snatch the baby hair, okay? And it's going to look natural. It's going to look like it's your hair from birth that you have been growing on your hair journey, all of that, okay? So just watch me lay these baby hairs. I kind of alternate between the brush and the comb side. On one side, it's a little bit easier than the other side for me, and that's typical with, you know, being right-handed or left-handed. One side might be easier than the other, but ultimately, practice makes perfect, okay? You can also wear whatever kind of wig cap you want to underneath your unit. I like to wear a black wig cap and I go into the part with makeup, but you can wear like a lighter wig cap, however you feel like you get the best results. This is just what I like to do, quick and easy. Make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I have a goal that I want for my channel and we are not quite there yet. So I am so happy for all of the subscribers that I have, all of the people who are watching that are not quite subscribed, because I know y'all are watching. I can see those analytics, okay? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On my channel, I do hair, makeup, nails, jewelry, everything beauty related. So come on, join the Itz Sirap family and let's slay. Doing this with any kind of gel or edge control will also help keep your lace down. So if you are not a fan of adhesive, this is definitely a good method to keep your lace down. Now, if it is really hot outside and you're going to be sweating a lot, then looking into an adhesive may be a better option for you. When I am really hot and sweaty, I don't lay the baby hair, because when you lay the baby hair and then you kind of sweat that gel off, it's going to get all icky. So I just skip that step and let the elastic band do all of the work. I love this hair, y'all. I will be making another one of these units in the natural black color, because sometimes I just want big hair that's black and not colored. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of mini tutorial. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.